it's Mark here from Roadside Garages. And what car have I got for you today? With just under 19,000 miles on the clock, full service history with ourselves and 2 previous owners. Let me introduce you to the 2014 Pro Ceed 1.6 GT. Finished in the aptly named track red paint, this Kia hot hatch pushes 201 brake horsepower from its nippy 1.6 petrol engine. This vehicle is immaculate inside and out and comes with a list of brilliant features including bucket style seats, Bluetooth connectivity with voice control, cruise control, rear parking sensors, 18-inch graphite finish alloys, full exterior GT style impact. For any further details, please contact us here at Roadside Garages. Thanks.